अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
वालेकुम
वालेकुम
अस्सलाम
सलाम
वरहमतुल्लाहि
वरहमतुल्लाहि
السلام ورحمة
वबरकातुहू
الله
या
تعالى
उस्ताज।
وبركاته يا شيخ.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Today, inshallah, we will continue our lesson number 3, and today we will learn the lesson from the book Ad-Darsus Salis. So please listen carefully. Then after I finish the reading, you have to repeat this lesson. So listen carefully, and if you want to note some vocabulary or some sentences, you can note it on your notebooks. Ad-Darsus Salisu, third lesson. This is a conversation between the Ahmad and Ali. Ahmadu, kam taliban fi faslikum ya Aliyu. Ali, how many students are in your class? How many students are in your class? Oh Ali, how many students are in your class? Kam taliban, how many students? Fi faslikum, in your class. Aliyun fi faslina arba'ata ashara taliban. In our class, there are 14 students. Arba'ata ashara taliban, 14 students. So you see here, yesterday we have learned about the adad and madud, and we learned that the numbers from 11 to 19, they are the mansub. And the first part of the adad will be opposite of the madud. So Taliban, here Taliban is masculine. Taliban is masculine. So first part is feminine. And the second part, it agrees with the madud. So Ashara is masculine and it agrees with the madud. While the first part of the adad, it doesn't agree with the madud and it is opposite gender. In gender, it is opposite with the madud. Arbata ashara taliban, 14 students. Ahmadu at-tulabu fi faslina aksaru. At-tulabu fi faslina aksaru. There are more students in our class. So in Ahmad's class, there are more students than 14. So Ahmad is saying at-tulabu fi faslina aksaru. There are more students in our class. Fihi tis'ata ashara taliban. Fihi, in it, tis'ata ashara taliban, 19 students. There are 19 students in it. In it, there are 19 students. Ya Ali, O Ali, masmut tali billazilla, masmut tali bil jadid dillazi ja'a amsi. What is the name of new student? Masmut tali bil jadid dillazi ja'a amsi. What is the name of the students who came yesterday? Ja'a amsi, who came yesterday. Ismuhu Usamatu. Ismuhu Usamatu. His name is Osama. Huwa tawilun jiddan. He is very tall. Tawil, tall. Jiddan, very. He is very tall. Alaysa kazalika. Alaysa kazalika. Is he not? Is he not? Or we can say, is not that so? Is not that so? Or we can translate, is he not? Yeah, or we can say, is it not like that? Is it not like that? Bala, indeed. Huwa tawilun jiddan. He is very tall. Bala, huwa tawilun jiddan. He is very tall. Walakinna hamidan atwalu minhu. Walakinna hamidan atwalu minhu. But the Hamid is taller than him. Atwalu minhu. This is comparative degree. This is comparative degree. There is a comparison between Hamid and him. Here is a pronoun who mean him. And who is for the Usama. Hamidan atwalu minhu. Hamid is taller than him. We have learned about the comparative degree. Comparative degree, in the comparative degree, there is a use of min. Minhu. Walakinna. This is a sister of the inna, and the noun following walakinna is mansoob here. Walakinna, like the noun following the walakinna, it will be mansoob here. So hamidan is mansoob here. Walakinna hamidan atwalu minhu, but the Hamid is taller than him. Innahu atwalu talibin fi faslina. Atwalu talibin, he is the tallest. This is superlative degree. In the first sentence, this is comparative degree, and here atwalu talibin, it is superlative degree. The noun following the atwalu, it will be majroor here. Atwalu talibin. Indeed, he is the tallest student in our class. Innahu atwalu talibin fi faslina. Indeed, he is tallest student in our class. Waman atwalu talibin fi faslikum. And who is the tallest student in your class? Waman, and who atwalu talibin, tallest student fi faslikum, in your class. And who is the tallest student in your class? Atwalu talibin fi faslina Ibrahimu. In our class, Ibrahim is the tallest student. Atwalu talibin fi faslina Ibrahimu. In our class, Ibrahim is the tallest student. The tallest student in our class is Ibrahim. The tallest student in our class is Ibrahim. Daftaruka haza ya Ahmadu. O Ahmad, is this your notebook? Daftaruka. Is this your notebook? Ya Ahmadu. Inna khattaka jamilun jiddan. Indeed, your handwriting is very beautiful. Khatta, handwriting. Khattaka, your handwriting. It is khattuka. It is khattu. But because of the inna, it is mansoob here. So it becomes khatta. Inna khattaka. And khatta is ismu inna. Inna khattaka jamilun jiddan. Indeed, your handwriting is very beautiful. Masha Allah. Shukran ya Aliyu. Thanks, O Ali. Khatti jamilun. Khatti jamilun. My handwriting is beautiful. Wa khattuka ajmalu. Wa khattuka ajmalu. And your handwriting is more beautiful. Ajmalu, more beautiful. Wa khattuka ajmalu, and your handwriting is more beautiful. Man hazal fatal lazi ma'aka ya Ahmadu. Man hazal fatal lazi ma'aka ya Ahmadu. Ahmad, who is this young man with you, young boy with you? Who is this young boy with you? Ka'annahu akhuka. It looks like he is your brother. Ka'annahu akhuka. It looks he is your brother. It seems he is your brother. Ka'annahu akhuka. It looks as if he is your brother. Akhuka, your brother. Naam huwa akhi shaqiqu. Yes, he is my real brother. My full brother, my real brother. Ashaqiqu, real brother. Huwa akhi shaqiqu. Yes, he is my real brother, my full brother. A akbaru minka huwa am asgaru. A akbaru minka. Is he older than you? Minka, this is comparative degree. So there is a comparison between the two, between the Ahmad and with his brother. This is a comparison between the Ahmad and between his brother. Akbaru minka, is he older than you? Huwa. Akbaru minka huwa, is he older than you? Am asgaru, or smaller. Is he older than you or smaller? Huwa asgaru minni, he is smaller than me. He is younger than me. Huwa asgaru minni, he is smaller than me, he is younger than me. Fi ayyi ma'ja'in anta ya akhi. Fi ayyi ma'ja'in anta ya akhi. In which hostel do you, O my brother? In which hostel? Ma'ja'in, hostel. Fi ayyi ma'ja'in anta ya akhi. In which hostel are you, O my brother? Anka mean about. Anka mean about you. Minka mean from you. Okay. Ma'ja'il khamisi. I am in the 5th hostel. Ma'ja'il khamisi. I am in the 5th hostel. Wa huwa ba'idun jiddan anil jamiati. And he is very far from the university. And he is very far from the university. Anafil Ma'ja is Samini. I am in the 8th hostel. Ma'ja is Samini, 8th hostel. Wahwa abadu min ma'ja'ikum. And it is far from your house. From your hostel. And it is far from your hostel. Ayyuhuma ahsanu. Which of them is better? Which of them is better? So it is a choice between two. Hostel number 5 or hostel number 8. So means here hostel number 5 is better or hostel number 8 is better. Ayyuhuma ahsanu. Which of them is better? Al-Maji il-Khamisi. Al-Maji il-Khamisi. Ahsanu fa inna urfahu awsa'u. Okay. Al-Maji'ul Khamisu. Al-Maji'ul Khamisu ahsanu fa inna urfa awsa'u. Fifth hostel is better. Fifth hostel is better. Fa inna ghurfahu awsa'u, because its rooms are wider. Its rooms are wider, or you can say spacious. Its rooms are wider, wide, or spacious. Wa nawafizahu akbaru, and its windows are bigger. And its windows are bigger. Wa murahidahu anzafu, and its toilets are clean. And its toilets are more clean. Anzafu, more clean. Akbaru, more big. Awsa'u, more wide, more vast. Was-sarur allati fihi ajmalu, and beds in it are more beautiful. And beds in it are more beautiful. Ajmalu, beautiful, more beautiful. I translate the last one. Al-muhji ul-khamisu ahsanu fa inna ghurfahu awsa'u. Fifth hostel is better because its rooms are wide, vast. Wa nawafizahu akbaru, and its windows are bigger. Wa marahidahu anzafu, and its toilets are cleaner, clean, more clean. Anzafu, more clean. Wasarur allati fihi ajmalu, and beds in it are more beautiful. And beds which are in it are more beautiful. So this is our lesson here. So if any of you have the question about the lesson, you can ask. Any meaning you want to ask, you don't understand. Any sentence you don't understand. Musarrat Ilahi, what do you want to ask?
Ustaz, I have a question about al-mahja'u al-khamisu. How can pronounce al-mahja'u or al-mahja'u?
Okay. Al-mahja'ul khamisu. Al-mahja'ul khamisu. Al-mahja'ul khamisu. There is a fatha, mahja. Al-mahja. Al-mahja'ul khamisu. Okay. Any other question, please?
No, sir. All things clear.
Okay. So who will read this one? Who want to read? Please raise.
Anaya Ustaz.
Okay. So let me check the students who want to read, then they can read one by one. There is Dr. Amino
Okay, sir.
Shabana, Dr. Amino Shabana, and Nurliza Alchisipian, and Rahmat Adisa. So one by one you can read. Okay, Musaratallah, you start first.
Okay, sir. الدرس الثالث lesson number 3 أحمد كم طالبا في فصلكم يا علي Oh Ali, how many students in your class? علي في فصلنا 14 طالبا. In our class there are 14 students. أحمد الطلاب في فصلنا أكثر. أحمد في فصلنا أكثر.
Okay.
في
في فصلنا أكثر.
in
في
our
فصلنا أكثر. الطلاب في فصلنا أكثر.
there are more students in our class.
Okay, good.
فيه 19 طالبا. In it there 19 students. يا علي أو علي ما اسم الطالب الجديد الذي جاء أمس. What is the name of new student who came yesterday? علي اسمه أسامة. His name is Usama. أحمد هو طويل جدا. He is very tall. أليس كذلك؟ أليس كذلك? What mean?
Alaysa kadhalika, is it not like that?
Is it not like that?
No, yeah.
علي بلا علي بلا هو طويل جدا. He is very tall. ولكن and because
Bala huwa tawilun jiddan. Indeed, he is very tall. Indeed,
अच्छा इसका मीनिंग भी
indeed.
indeed होता है सर.
Yes. Bala, indeed, he is very tall.
بلا indeed هو طويل جدا. He is very tall. ولكن حامدا أطول منه. ولكن حامدا أطول منه. And because Hamid is tall than his.
Walakinna,
But
yes. But Hamid
ولكن and
Yes.
but Hamid is tall than his.
Than him.
In
Taller than him.
than him. उनसे.
Walakinna Hamidan atwalu minhu, but the Hamid is taller than him. Taller than him.
Than him.
Yes.
إنه أطول طالب في فصلنا. He is the tallest in our class. He is the tallest student in our class. ومن أطول طالب في فصلكم. And who is the tallest student in your class? أحمد أطول طالب في فصلنا إبراهيم. In our class, Ibrahim is tallest student. علي
Atwalu talibin fi faslina. The tallest student in our class is Ibrahim.
अच्छा, the tallest student is in our class is Ibrahim. علي أدفترك هذا يا أحمد. أدفترك هذا يا أحمد. Is this your book?
Is this your
إن
notebook?
خطك.
Notebook.
Is this your notebook? إن خطك جميل جدا. Indeed your handwriting is very beautiful. ما شاء الله. أحمد شكرا يا علي. Thank you O Ali. خطي جميل. My handwriting is beautiful. وخطك أجمل. And your handwriting is more beautiful. علي من هذا الفتى الذي معك يا أحمد. من هذا الفتى? Who is this? الذي معك.
Man hazal fatal lazi ma'aka ya Ahmadu. Who is this young boy with you?
Who is this young boy with you?
With you.
معك with you يا أحمد أو أحمد. كأنه أخوك. It looks is your brother.
Okay. Ka'annahu akhuka. It looks as if it is your brother. Okay, good. Okay, right. It's okay. Good.
أحمد نعم. نعم yes. أخي الشقيق. Yes, he is my real brother. Yeah, my full brother. علي أكبر منك هو أم أصغر. Is he is older than or similar? Is he is older than you? أم أصغر or similar than
or
you?
smaller. Akbar minka.
أحمد
Okay, continue please.
Ahmad, he is smaller than me.
Huwa asgharu minni.
He is smaller.
He is younger than me.
He is smaller.
Okay, smaller than me, younger than me is both okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
علي في أي مهجع أنت يا أخي? In which hostel are you? في أي مهجع, in which hostel you are you? يا أخي, oh my brother. This is right, yeah.
في أي
أحمد
معجع في أي
in
معجع
which
أنت
hostel
يا in which hostel are you?
are you? أحمد أنا في المهجع الخامس. I am in hostel fifth. وهو بعيد جدا عن الجامعة. It is very far from the university. أنا في المهجع الثامن وهو أبعد من مهجعكم. I am in hostel 8 and it is far from your hostel.
And it is
Ahmad أيهم and
okay. It is far from your hostel.
أيهما. ओके सर. अय्युहुमा अहसनु, इनमें से कौन सा बेटर है? इसका क्या होगा इंग्लिश सर?
सर जी एक मिनट, 1 minute.
In which both
अय्युहुमा
is
ahsanu,
better?
अय्युहुमा ahsanu, which of them is better? Which of them is better? Ayyuhuma, which of two is better? Which of them is better?
Which of them is better? Which of them is better? علي المهجع الخامس. Hostel fifth is أحسن, better. فإن عرفته أوسع, because its room is very नहीं أوسع को क्या बोलते हैं सर? Wide.
Spacious white.
ونوافذه and its windows is big. ومراحيض أنفذ and its toilet is clean. والسرر التي فيه أجمل and bed والسرر التي فيه أجمل.
And beds in it are more beautiful.
And beds
in it are more beautiful.
In which?
In it. Fihi, in it.
In it are
more
very
beautiful.
More beautiful.
Okay, thank you. Dr. Amino.
Thank you, sir. आपने मुझे बहुत time दिया.
You're welcome. Dr. Amino, please.
I wanted, my place is noisy. I just wanted to ask a question. Maybe the difference between Yenka and Anka, similar with Anka. Difference between Anka and Yenka.
Anka is about you and Minka is from you. I have replied you. At that time you didn't notice your question. Anka is about you. Minka is from you.
I understood your chef.
Okay. So who want to read this one? Rahmat Adisa.
أحمد كم طالبا في فصلكم يا علي؟
Kam
How many
taliban
students?
fi faslikum.
كم طالبا في فصلكم يا علي? How many students in your
Please, your side is noisy. Sakina. Sakina, you read this one. If your side is noisy, please don't raise your hand. Sakina Abdul Rahim, please you open your mic. Sakina Abdul Rahim. Okay, she is not there. So, is there Shabana? Just no Shabana raise hand. Shabana is there. Okay, Shabana, you read this one.
Okay, sir. الدرس الثالث. Third lesson, lesson number 3. أحمد طالبا في فصلكم يا علي.
Come, read again, please.
كم طالبا في فصلكم يا علي?
Good.
How many students are there in your class, O Ali?
Good.
علي في فصلنا 14 طالبا. There are 14 students in my class.
Okay, fi faslina
أحمد
in our class. Fi faslina
in our.
Yes.
Okay. There are 14 students in our class. أحمد الطلاب في فصلنا أكثر.
Fi faslina. Because of fi, it is faslina.
في فصلنا أكثر. الطلاب في فصلنا أكثر.
Aksaru.
أكثر. I don't understand this, sir.
At-tulabu
الطلاب students.
there are in our class more students. There are more students in our class.
There are more
students in our
students
class.
in our class. فيه 19 طالبا. 19.
Yes.
Okay. فيه.
In,
There are 19 students in it. O
okay, good.
Ali. ما اسم الطالب الجديد الذي جاء أمس? What is the name of this new student who came yesterday?
Okay, good.
Aliyu Asmuhu Usama.
Ismuhu Usama.
Ismuhu Usama. His name is Usama. He is Usama or his name is Usama?
His name is Usama.
His name is Usama. Ahmadu. Huwa tawilun jiddan. He is very tall. Jiddan. Huwa tawilun jiddan. He is very tall. Alaysa kadhalik? Isn't he?
Is it not like so?
Is it not like so? Ali. Bala. Indeed. Huwa tawilun jiddan. He is very tall. Walakinna Hamida atwalu minhu.
Hamidan. Walakinna Hamidan.
Walakinna Hamidan atwalu minhu. But Hamidan is taller than him.
But Hamid is taller than him.
But Hamid is taller than him. Okay, sir. Innahu atwalu talibin fi faslina. Innahu. Indeed, he is the tallest one in our class.
He is the tallest student in our class. Indeed, he is the tallest student in our class.
Indeed, he is the tallest student in our class. Waman atwalu talibin fi faslakum. And who is the tallest
في فصلنا.
student?
في فصلك. Okay,
فصل-
good. ومن أطول طالب في فصلكم, and who is the
لكم.
tallest student in your class? Okay, thank you. Our time
Thank you,
is
sir.
here. Inshallah, tomorrow
Thank
we
you,
will.
sir.
You're welcome. So, any of you have any question, you can later WhatsApp me also, inshallah. إلى اللقاء مع السلامة. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah. Thank you, Ustaz.
You're welcome.
Allah